Welcome to King Bike. Hello everyone, welcome to King Bike. Today we're taking a look at the legendary BMW R51, a classic motorcycle that played an important role in BMW's early motorcycling history. Let's explore what makes this vintage machine so special. Overview. The BMW R51 was introduced in the late 1930s and quickly became known for its smooth performance, durability, and premium engineering. It featured BMW's signature Boxer twin-engine and shaft drive system, making it one of the most advanced motorcycles of its era. Engine and performance. The BMW R51 is powered by a 494 cubic centimeters air-cooled, horizontally opposed twin-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth power, reliable performance, and a comfortable riding experience. Its shaft drive requires less maintenance than a traditional chain, adding to its long-term reliability. Design and features. The R51 showcases timeless styling with a steel frame, classic round headlamp, wide handlebars, and elegant chrome details. Its comfortable riding position and iconic Boxer engine layout make it instantly recognizable among vintage motorcycles. Why it's special. The BMW R51 is admired by collectors and classic motorcycle enthusiasts for its engineering, historical significance, and enduring design. Even today, a well-maintained R51 remains a symbol of BMW's heritage and craftsmanship. Conclusion. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed learning about the BMW R51, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, history, and updates. See you in the next video.